We have the Samsung fridge. If you open the door, the lights are flickering on the fridge and freezer, and it has stopped working. When this happens, you open these 3 Phillips screws on the top, remove all of them, and then the top panel comes off, this plastic cover. You have to open the door. And then check for broken wire right here. Usually the wire breaks from this area and you have to repair it if you can. You can also see broken wire here sometime. I do not see any broken wire. You can check for continuity from here to the back control board to confirm that the wire is broken inside of the inside of this area on door. What you can do is, this will also confirm the control board if it's working or not. There's a tiny tab inside here. You have to press on it and open this. So I'm going to do this. So you disconnect this, and then if you got problem with the control board, the light will still keep flickering. If you got problem with the wiring harness, the door, then the light will stay solid on. See, it's not flickering because I got problem with the door. The wiring harness is broken from inside. In order to repair this, you really have to replace the whole door assembly, and I'm going to show you the part number. This is Delta Alpha 82-03567 K as a kilo. The whole door is about $400 or $500, and I'm also going to show you the model and serial number on this unit. In order to order the correct part, you need your model number and serial number. Sometimes they also have a version number. You may want to also provide a version number, which is located here. So for now, you can put your stuff back in and give the customer the estimate for the new door. Also, it's possible that the reed switch, they call it, or door switch, the reed switch or door switch can also break and cause similar issues, but very common problems are the wiring harness on the door. Thank you. See, the light is not flickering because I disconnected it from the top.